What if the Nikon ZF2 could completely redefine retro-modern hybrid imaging in 2025, merging vintage style with futuristic power that leaves every other mirrorless camera green with envy? Let's journey together through these electrifying leaks. Trust me, I'm the insider who predicted the Nikon Z5 II specs, nailed the Fujifilm X-Z5 drop in September 2024, and even zeroed in on the Leica SL3S announcement with uncanny precision. Today's intel on the Nikon ZF2 is fresh, rock-solid, and absolutely jaw-dropping. One specification stands out like a lightning bolt: don't blink, or you'll miss it. Stay tuned, subscribe for instant updates, and get ready for the deepest AI-driven performance reveal on YouTube right now. Why does the ZF2 matter? Because it nails retro-modern synergy like no other camera. Whether you're a street shooter, enchanted by classic dials, or a vlogger hungry for analog charm with pro-grade video chops, this beast is built for you. Rumor has it, the lustrous silver chrome launches summer 2025, with a traditional black finish following in September 2026. Here's your first taste. It could sport a new partially stacked full-frame sensor, think 24.5 MP, extreme dynamic range, and turbocharged read speeds. Pair that with the next-gen XE8 brain, and you've got processing prowess that can power features previously reserved for sci-fi. Now, brace yourself, its AI autofocus is rumored to be elite level: human, animal, bird, and even vehicle detection that might rival full-frame flagships. Tracking accuracy that sports shooters drool over could be packed into this retro shell. Video creators, hold on, 6K 60 frames per second with full sensor readout, zero crop? Yes, please. Also thrown in, 4K at 120 frames per second, both encoded in efficient 10-bit H.265, plus N-Log for cinematic flexibility. This places the ZF2 in direct competition with cameras costing double. And now, for the reveal that flips the game, find out this feature that radically changes low-light hybrid imaging forever as we continue. Burst mode? A blazing 15 frames per second mechanical shutter lets you capture decisive frames without rolling shutter artifacts. The in-body image stabilization is rumored to be 8 stops, and not just any IBIS, but intelligent stabilization that shifts the stabilization axis to align with your autofocus point. Extreme precision, and that's not marketing fluff. Handheld night shots, smooth cinematic moves, tack-sharp detail. This system promises pro results. Plus, it may support pixel shift stills, combining frames into hyper-fidelity 96 MP masterpieces, perfect for landscapes or large prints. Dual card slots? Yes, CF Express Type B plus SD cards, offering backup peace of mind. The EVF? Possibly 3.69 million dots, razor-sharp color preview. And the workflow twist is epic. Keep watching for connectivity that will transform your on-set data pipeline. Built from a magnesium alloy chassis, the body is both sleek and durable, around 710 G with battery. The silver chrome vibe brings vintage love, and the black variant maintains a modern professional aesthetic. Wrapped in a 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen with 2.1 million dots, it's visibility and control made for today's creators. Connectivity. Rumors include Wi-Fi 6 for blistering wireless transfers and reliable remote shooting. USB 4.0 promises tethering speeds and power delivery that make older cameras choke. Powered by the EL15C battery, it may deliver 400 shots per charge, with power-smart improvements baked in. Here's the ultimate twist: this camera might deliver ultra-low-light autofocus performance that redefines street shooting in darkness. Have you guessed the mind-blower yet? Hang tight. ASA recap: ZF2 could launch summer 2025 for Chrome, then black in September 2026, smart staggered rollout. Expected MSRP? Around $2,000, positioning it against the Canon EOS R6 Mark II and Sony a7 IV, but with retro flair and next level features. Timing is calculated perfection. The summer drop aligns with holiday/travel camera shopping seasons. The black version's autumn arrival syncs with traditional tech launch cycles. The combination of 24.5 MP hybrid sensor, AI-enabled autofocus, blockbuster video specs, intelligent IBIS, pixel shift, and futuristic connectivity makes the ZF2 as much a revolution as its retro roots. But here's that twist again: the rumored autofocus overhaul could allow focus tracking down to extreme low-light levels. Imagine shooting in near darkness, and this camera locks on. Street photographers, content creators, night owl artists, this could be your dream tool. The Nikon ZF2 isn't just a competitor, it may redefine retro-modern mirrorless standards. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Which feature lights your creative fire? Subscribe for more deep dives. Hit super thanks if this helped. Join our Techno Trend Zone membership for early access to future leaks. The ZF May 2nd just change everything.